Welcome back to another video. I'm Jocelyn. Today we're in my balcony, and yes, it is nighttime. It's late at night, but I still really had this urge to film this video. And you guys probably didn't know this be real. In my first video I'm making her, but I actually bought a codorniz. Look, you can't see her right now. We should take off the blanket, right? Hang on, let me just do the flash. Look, here she is. My cousin Emily called her ugly. Unsubscribe to her, please. Okay. So, she is a girl, but let's take off the frozen blanket. I put this on top for many reasons, because it was windy earlier and it was kind of cold, so I put it on her so it didn't feel cold. But anyways, sit down again, and I'll show you guys. First off, I want to show you guys the things that I bought for her. Her cage right now is kind of a mess. I'm trying to make it better. Put all the cardboard pieces on there. Okay, first thing I did, I brought confetti thingy, not confetti, shred, decorative shred. I'm gonna use this to fill a box that I have in a cage for her, in case she wants to nest or something. Next thing I bought this just to make more shreds. So, and then we have toys for her. I don't know, I feel like birds really like these type of things. Bought this bow, purple, to match her cage. And then I bought this other type of bow. I feel like she can really play with this if she gets bored. So yeah, those are the things that I bought for her. Oh, this is stuck on my bracelet. And yeah, that's gonna be it. Okay, now guys, we're gonna take the shred and we're gonna use it to fill the box that she has in her cage. She pooped in it. I'm so sorry you guys get asco from this. I put lots of cardboard here. First it was just like this, but then I put lots of cardboard there so she can walk on it, and she just ended up pooping all over it. So I'm just gonna clean this up and put some of the decorative shred in there, and yeah, I'll be back after I'm done cleaning this up. Okay, just gonna clean. Just wiping down the mustiness with a napkin. Yeah, it doesn't smell bad at all, Oh my god.
So guys, I'm the cameraman. So we're not making a part because the poop really hit hard, and we'll probably start recording when we actually get the guts to start cleaning. So yeah. Okay, guys, this is the process where she's.
I'm washing her food bowl. It's stinky out there, guys. She pooped. I left her to go to Emily's house for 2 hours at max. I came back. She pooped herself all over her new caja that I was gonna fill with shreds. So luckily I found another caja. I'm gonna go to my balcony. Wait, where's my other caja? Okay. So I found her another caja that we're gonna put there. And bro, it apestas. If I had, I don't think I have any nose buds, hairs, whatever you call you small one left. It stinks. I redesigned everything because she pooped on everything. Because this cage is meant for parakeet, but it's not meant for codornices. So I have to kind of adjust it for her. But I ended up she pooped on everything that I had, so I had to end up taking everything out. And I had cardboards and rocks and bottles and stuff, and right now it looks empty, but I have to take everything out, even her food thing, she pooped in it. I'm sorry, this is very embarrassing for you. The only thing que le faltaba que se agarrara was on this thing. If she pooped on that or her water, she's done. But anyways guys, I'll see you guys all back once I'm done cleaning her cage. Guys, okay, I just finished cleaning the cage, and oh my, hasumecha, bro, it was so stinky, and most of the cardboard that I had in there, she pooped on all of it, and I had to take it out, and I couldn't find new things to replace it with. I'll have to look for it tomorrow because it's kind of late now, but I did find another box for her. Hopefully she doesn't poop in this one because I'm running out of Maruchan boxes, really, yeah. And Now we're gonna do the feeding. So here is her food, her mini food. I'm gonna feed her from my hand, cause like, yeah. If I put it in her bowl, that guy that sold me her said to like mix it with water, because you know, when she eats, she makes a huge mess. Like he wasn't kidding. I put some food in her bowl, and she was just went crazy with it, and it went like all over the place, and I had to clean it up. So I'm just gonna feed her from my hands right now, and I'll put some food in her bowl later. Okay? Coming closer. Hey. Cause she's not paying attention. Let me tap her. Hey. Alright, watch how much mess she makes. Watch. Hey. Eat. Bro, please don't stop making a mess. Alright, ow! She's eating from my hands right now. Ow! Sometimes, if you're not careful, she pecks at your fingers, and it hurts. It hurts like a... like really bad. Okay. Anyway, she's eating. Okay, yeah, let me put the camera at a different angle. You guys can see her.